Fire in the hole, let's cook some shrimp. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on today is I've got about a dozen of what they call jumbo shrimp. These are pretty big, pretty good sized shrimp. And what we're going to do is we're going to get them drunk. We're going to get them drunk and take advantage of them. What do you think? So we're going to marinate them in some beer. That's my idea of getting them drunk. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of what Rivet Garden calls this cheater's garlic. That's cool, John. I don't know about you. Cheater's garlic. I guess he's saying that if you don't want to mince your own garlic, you use this cheater's garlic. So anyway, we got some garlic on there. You got to put garlic on your shrimp. And then I got some limes. I got about 3 limes. We're going to juice them up in there. Juice of 3 limes in there. Of course, there'll be a recipe in the description. Some lime juice in my shrimp. Yeah, get that lime juice on there. That's 1. Should I make you sit through all 3? I guess I'm going to have to. What I should have done was do 2 and then made you sit through the last one. Anyway, I could skip ahead, but I'm not. Yeah, hey, we got a lot to talk about. I'm going to have to do a live chat soon. I've got some great ideas for upcoming videos, and I want to do a video series starting with my next video. I'm going to do a series of videos of YouTubers that I admire, and I'm going to do a recipe from each of 10 or maybe more different YouTubers who I've come to people that I really care about, and we're just going to do that. I get this lime juice on there. You know, these shrimp really don't need to be marinated in anything because, you know, you don't need to tenderize shrimp, but we're just going to try to flavor them up a little bit. And I've got a beer. This is Mexican beer. This is Sol. And this is Cerveza Original Mexico. I don't know if it's an ale. Yes, I think it is an ale or a lager, but anyway, it's Mexican beer. It's a lot like Corona. If you've ever had Corona, then you've probably tastes just like Sol. And I'm going to pour that beer in there and give that shrimp, I'm going to try and save a taste for myself. Try and give that shrimp a little bit more. I got my shrimp pretty much submerged in there. I'm going to get that shrimp drunk. Then we're going to give them the treatment. You'll see. I'm going to drink this. Oh yeah, right out the bottle. That's good stuff. I got one for myself later too. But anyway, there you go. Them shrimp are getting drunk. While they're getting drunk, we'll get the rest of my stuff and get these prepped up. So stay tuned. Okay, my shrimp have been marinating for about 30 minutes. It doesn't take long to get a shrimp drunk. They're a cheap drunk. Anyway, I peeled and deveined these shrimp earlier, by the way. So what I'm going to do now is I left the tails on, you know, because this is like an appetizer. I'm going to take some bacon, and I only do this to keep my buddy Aaron interested, because if I don't wrap stuff in bacon, he won't watch anymore. Anyway, I'm going to wrap these in bacon like this. Shrimp don't take long to cook, so I'm using thin cut bacon because I want that bacon to cook before the shrimp does. Anyway, got that one wrapped in bacon. How's that look? Let's get another one. Get another shrimp and another wrap of bacon. Show you how that goes. Yeah, baby. Bacon. Shrimp are good. Putting bacon on them makes them even better, doesn't it? So let me get that another bacon wrapped shrimp. I know you like watching this, right? Okay, good, because I like doing it. Okay, yeah, let's get that bacon wrapped shrimp going. Get it rocking the house down. Noisy neighbors, folks. Noisy neighbors. No big deal. Okay, so I got 2 of them done. Let's do one more. You get the idea. And they've been in that beer for about 30 minutes, so they're good and drunk by now. Right, don't you think? 30 minutes submerged in beer, wouldn't that drink you up? Okay. Let me get that bacon wrapped around the shrimp. Whoops. Drop the shrimp. Get them back over here. Get them wrapped with bacon. Yeah, baby. Bacon is the duct tape of the kitchen, isn't it? If you don't believe that, anyway, you get them wrapped up with some bacon. That bacon is going to constrict on there, and let me get them on the grill. I'm going to take a little bit of my Root Boy Rub number 2 and just give a light sprinkle to them, make them look pretty. And we're going to baste them with some of this while they're cooking. This is armadillo pepper barbecue sauce. And if you'd like to, I gave away a jar of this to a guy named Gary Williamson. I hope he liked it. If you'd like to try some of this, leave a comment on this video, give me a thumbs up, be a subscriber, and I'll give away another jar. I bought 2 more of these. I liked it so much. I bought these from Jeff over at Armadillo Pepper. I liked it so much, I bought 2 more. I'll give another one away to one lucky subscriber. Let me get these shrimp wrapped in bacon and get them on the grill, and I'll show you what that looks like, so stay tuned. The shrimp are on the Barbie, and they look good enough to eat already, but they're nowhere near done. When that bacon tightens up a little bit, we're going to brush them with some armadillo pepper barbecue sauce, flip them over, continue cooking them until the bacon tightens up. Then we'll take a taste and drink a beer. What do you think about that? So stay tuned. Mexican drunken shrimp are done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug. Here's today's beer. This is Sol Mexican Cerveza. Notice it's got a lime stuck in the neck of the bottle. You know why they do that? That's to keep the flies out. That's what a bartender told me. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna pour that out. And if you've never had Sol or Corona, that's what it tastes like. It tastes just like Corona. In fact, you wouldn't know if you closed your eyes. You would think that was a Corona, and that lime in there just makes it better. How you like that, Rob? You ever had a Sol? I think you can get that almost anywhere. Really good. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Ain't no quaff on it. Let's quaff it anyway. It's very good. It's completely sessionable. It's like 4.7 alcohol, I think. Alcohol. I forget. I know it says it on there. 4.5. Hardly any alcohol in it. You could drink that all day long. How about we forget about the beer and we get one of these bacon wrapped beauties in my mouth. Look at that thing. Do you think that dog could tear that up, Rob? I don't know. Let me, you could, I've got some salsa over here to serve it with some guac. And I've got some of that armadillo pepper sauce. You could dip these in that sauce, Can't believe I just lost that thing. Yeah, I got to get a taste of that. How about that? How's that look? Mmm. Oh, man. Lord have mercy. That's outstanding. You can actually taste the beer. Mmm. Oh, boy. Boy, is that good. I tell you what. You serve that with some lime wedges, some salsa, some guac. Your guests will be raving at your next barbecue. So anyway, babies, that's my video. Congratulations to me for getting 10,000 subscribers, and congratulations to my subscribers for subscribing. I want to thank each and every one of you. And I had a crazy idea. I thought I might do a series of videos where I pay tribute to some of my favorite YouTube cooking channels. In fact, I think next week we're going to do Almazan Kitchen. I'm going to do a recipe from Almazan Kitchen. You're going to love it. I've already done one of his recipes. In fact, thinking back on this project, I've already done one recipe from almost every one of these subscribers that are not subscribers, but channels that I admire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through my archives and look at them all, and I'm going to do a new recipe from 10 or 15 of my favorites, and that's going to be the next 10 or 15 videos. So you don't want to miss that. Anyway, babies, that's my shrimp video. Come back next week. We'll do Almazan Kitchen. We'll do one of their recipes. One of my favorite channels. We'll be doing some of my favorites over the years. You'll see. You'll just have to wait and see who my favorites are. Thank you each and every one for 10,000 subscribers. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. That's what I always say. If you don't, go check out. Who should we send you to this week? Let me think. I should have had someone in mind and I don't. How about we make you go see Rob, the barbecue pit dog? That's always my standby. Rob is my drinking buddy. He's a great guy. He's up in Middleburg, Florida. Go check him out, Rob and his dog Duke. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but if it's half as good as this shrimp, I'll tell you what, this stuff's amazing. You know we're going to drink a beer, right? Okay, babies. See you next week. Bye.